Upgrading to Google Analytics segments is a straightforward process that can help you gain deeper insights into your website data. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics account and some basic knowledge of how the platform works. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reports section. Here, you will see an overview of your website's traffic and behavior. Next, click on the plus icon at the top of the page to create a new segment. A segment is a subset of your data that allows you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users. When creating a segment, you can choose from a variety of dimensions and metrics, such as demographic information, traffic sources, and behavior on your site. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your site. In the segment builder, you will see a list of available dimensions and metrics. Select the ones that are relevant to your analysis and apply the necessary conditions. You can also use the regex function to create more complex conditions. Once you have defined your segment, click Apply to see the data. You can then compare the segment data to your overall data to identify trends and patterns. For instance, you can compare the behavior of users who have made a purchase to those who have not, to identify areas for improvement. To get the most out of Google Analytics segments, it is essential to regularly review and update your segments to ensure they are still relevant and accurate. You should also use them in conjunction with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to get a comprehensive understanding of your website data. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include keeping your segments organized and easy to understand, using clear and descriptive names, and regularly reviewing your segment data to identify areas for improvement. By following these best practices and using Google Analytics segments effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of your website data and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.